The event that I think is the most interesting, however, is 25-meter rapid pistol, in part because the event uses actual firearms chambered in .22 long rifle, and because the sport combines marksmanship and speed. Competitors shoot one-handed for 5 rounds in fast succession, one shot into 5 targets at 25 meters. They have 4 seconds to do it. This is done in 8 sets for 40 rounds total fired. If a competitor goes over those times, any shots after do not count. Each target is a 50-centimeter circle. Targets are considered either a hit or a miss. The innermost 9.7 centimeters of the target is considered a hit. Anything outside of that is a miss.